so many new items. I cannot take it. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I just want everything. So before we get into this, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So I'm going to start off with my favorite finds, and my favorite finds were the LED lights that they now have out. They have them in pineapples, unicorns, and flamingos. I picked up these in the pineapples and the flamingos. How adorable are these? I got 2 and 2. 4 packs in total. I think these are so cute. I cannot wait to decorate with them. They take 2 AA batteries that are not included, but as you know, you can pick up batteries at the Dollar Tree, and I'm telling you that they're just as good as Energizer or Duracell. So I picked up 4 of these string lights, and there's 10 lights in each package. Moving along, I also found, finally, they had the clip pumpkins. They had them in white, they had them in orange, a burnt orange. They had a bunch of varieties. I just picked up 1 pack of the white. I have gone pumpkin crazy, so I couldn't pick any more up. Speaking of pumpkins, I picked up this sign here with the truck, the pumpkin sign. I think this is so cute. And I seen somebody do a DIY with this, and I plan to DIY mine, and I will be sharing that with you guys real soon. They also had 2 varieties of these signs. This one says Home Sweet Home. How cute is this? I'm definitely going to use this for my porch to do some decorating with once the summer is over. So it comes with a little thing. You could either hang it, or you could just stick it. What I'm going to do is probably stick it in a pot and do some decorating. So I thought this was adorable. They did have another one. I forgot what it said. I did take a picture for you guys. Was one of these wreath hangers in orange, which I thought was cute. It comes already in orange for $1. They had them in orange and brown. So if you need one for your wreath, go ahead to the Dollar Tree. The last thing I got having to do with fall were these adorable salt and pepper shakers. How cute are these little owls? I love these. They're so cute. They have these in owls, squirrels, and pumpkins. So if you guys are looking to get some decor for the holiday time, hurry on up. Dollar Tree's got it. The Dollar Tree has really done it. They have a lot of decorating items. This was a repeat buy. This is that dream frame. I already hauled these a while ago. They still have them, so I figured I'm gonna pick one of these up because I want to definitely DIY with it, and I didn't want to waste my other ones because I still want to do something with those as a set down the road. So moving along to a basic item. This, I haven't seen this, but I'm sure it's been there before. This is a mushy ice pack. It's a cryo pack, and you can make this hot or cold. And I think this is great. You could use this for food, for if you get an injury, and this will be wonderful. You could freeze it, or if you want to heat it up, it says that you boil water and you place it in there for 3 minutes, or you could place it in the microwave. So I picked one of these up. I thought this would be great. It is reusable. So that's the ice pack. I also needed to just randomly pick up some disposable gloves, and 100 came for $1, so picked one of these guys up. It says one size fits all, so I'm pretty sure these are kind of going to be large, but I'm only using these for when I color my hair, and I thought, you know what, I don't need it to fit me perfectly, and 100, you can't beat that for $1, so I picked these up. I also picked up one of these folders by Jot. They had so many beautiful, pretty designs, and I got this for myself actually for work, just to keep some important things in that I keep in those plastic page protectors, and you could clip it right into there, and and there's still extra pockets on both sides. So I just picked up one of these folders while they have them for school time. And then I just also needed one more of these glass circular, I guess it's for a candle on top, and I saw one of these, I couldn't believe it, and that's what reminded me, oh yeah, I need to pick one of these up, and that's all they had, so it worked out well for me. So yeah guys, I told you it was gonna be a small haul, and that's exactly what it was. I mean, they have so many new decorative items for the fall, for Halloween, for Thanksgiving. I just couldn't believe my eyes, but I gotta wait a little bit. I know there's gonna be more coming, so this is what I got for now. Hope you guys enjoyed my findings. Please let me know down below what were your favorite things that I found, what you guys might be looking for, and that's it. So I just want to ask you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you haven't already, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!